got a question for me.
We've got a question from Nick and then Joe.
Hey, Jason. Yeah, thanks for everything. That was cool. I have a question about how you were linking to like a popular LinkedIn post. So, if I were to like put up a clip from one of our films or a trailer, it would be a lot less. I think it would hold less gravity. I almost feel like it would possibly send someone to a post that has a dozen likes or something, you know what I mean? And I don't want that to take away from what's happening. So I wonder how you look at that in terms of folks without that level of following. I know you sort of spoke to this, but I guess I thought, okay, well, maybe I could post the trailer. But now I'm thinking, well, it'd be great if I could post it because someone else shared it, or maybe even link to somewhere else where there is possibly more of a feeling of weight. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I sense there's a little bit of like self-consciousness about sharing something that people haven't really engaged with, which is totally understandable if that's kind of what you're thinking. Um, I would not overthink that. In my experience, it's the quality of the thing that I'm seeing and less about the amount of engagement on it. So, for example, when I was first getting started with the LinkedIn stuff, I would still link to a LinkedIn post with like 5 likes on it. I know whether or not the content is good. So it's how consumable it is. So I think trailers are good. You know what I think would be even more badass though is if you had a video and you recorded a video and said, hey Nick, we're doing some similar work with XYZ company, and one of the things that they found that has been really helpful in promoting their product is having a 90-second trailer. And I want to just highlight a few parts of that trailer that I think you might be able to incorporate with your product. Boom, here, play this little 5-second clip, this little 10-second clip. Let me know if you're interested in chatting. I have a bunch of ideas that I could share with you. That's probably how I would approach it if I was you. You could create even more of a templated kind of video too if you wanted to as well, but I think you breaking down something is a lot more interesting than just seeing the trailer.